everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of issues on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search for Chatbot AI Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. You search for Chatbot AI Nova. And here in this page you will update your app if you find updates. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.